Yeah, so this is what I have to work with. I'm gonna turn the rollers into a bunk. It's gonna get sanded. There's water in the bilge. Gonna get a new bilge pump. Tank's gonna come out. Probably switch that to a plastic tank. New fuel water separator, new fuel line, new fuel filter, bilge, hose. I used house wire to wire all the lights in the front too. There's a fuse panel right there. I'm gonna pull the steering wheel. That little knob is for lights, I'm assuming. There's a bunch of shit in there. And there. Oh, look it, we got growth. Same in there. Deck is completely soft. Deck's gonna come out. Here it is, actually. Let me show you. All that dirt. All that. Gotta remake the hatch for this. Secure that. There's the hatch for that. Where I'm standing right now is all soft. Yeah, you just heard that. Yeah, gonna run new fuel lines, filler neck. It's all gonna be new. Start there. Gonna fill up all these holes. All new hardware. Start there. New rail. I ripped that one out already. That one was completely gone. That was just, yeah, that was cracked, broken. Take your picks of words. Gonna figure out how to do gauges on this. Probably gonna keep the steering wheel in the same place. That's for my my throttle control right there, I'm assuming. That's what it is for. Surprised I didn't have gauges on here. Fuel tank key. Did open the fuel tank. Does smell like fuel, but we'll see how the condition of the tank is.